So I wanted to do a quick review on the Nicwell Smart Oral Irrigator. I'll show you the unit itself. You get a sense of the size. The neck is very narrow, so it's really good for gripping. It comes with 5 nozzles, the one on here and 4 additionals here, which are very easy to get on and off. There's a button, you push, you pull, you snap in. Very easy. We've got the on and off. We've got mode, which includes normal, soft, pulse, and custom. You charge your unit right here, and there's this nice little plug here that keeps it water safe. So we keep that in when we're not charging. You put your water in here at the back and it just loads up right in the tap. So let's turn it on and see what it looks like. We're gonna go with just normal. You're getting a sense, you get a sense of the sound. So we're going to change to from the different modes so you can listen to that. And it simply just turns on and off like this. I've been using this. The normal mode is very powerful. It really gets in there and removes debris. I use it every morning before I brush. So I would have to say this is a great little unit. I think you should give it a try. I really love it. Very happy with my purchase, and I think you will be too.